Welcome to this tutorial on how to generate high-resolution AI images from Leonardo AI. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to create high-resolution AI-generated images. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Leonardo AI website. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. Once you've logged in, you'll gain access to a world of powerful AI tools, including AI image generation. Once you're logged in, click on the AI Image Generation tab from the dashboard. This will take you to the AI Image Generation interface, where you can start creating your high-resolution AI-generated. Before generating your AI image, you'll need to set the image dimensions. You can specify the width and height in pixels, or choose from popular presets like square, portrait, or landscape. Make sure to select the right dimensions that suit your creative needs. Now, it's time to unleash the creativity of the AI. Leonardo AI uses prompts to understand what kind of image you want to generate. Type in your ideas, suggestions, or descriptions of the image you envision. The AI will use this input to produce a unique and high-quality image tailored to your instructions. With your prompts ready, click the Generate button. Leonardo AI will process your input and use its advanced AI algorithms to create a high-resolution image that matches your vision. The generation process usually takes only a few seconds, but for more complex ideas, it might take a bit longer. Once the AI has completed the generation process, you'll see the preview of the stunning AI-generated image on your screen. If you're satisfied with the result, click on the Download button to save the high-resolution image to your device. Congratulations! You've learned how to download high-resolution AI-generated images from Leonardo AI. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks.